the bobber's back. So if you guys watched my last video, oh, look at that. Nice. So if you watched my last, actually a couple videos ago, you've seen a video called Trading the Bobber. And that was just a little clever way to try to play a little joke on several of you that I actually got rid of the bobber, which, as you can see, I'm on it. Did I get any of you guys? I know a couple of comments. Looks like I got you guys for a little bit. I get to wonder if I lost any subscribers from that because you guys thought I got rid of the bobber. Not even. Oh, he's gone. So why would I get rid of the bobber? Only if I really had to. This bike's too fun, especially when you got a rope like this. It's fast too. Not real fast, but fast enough. So I do find the bobber, actually I find it comfortable, even on long rides. It actually is starting to become my around town bike and my fun play bike. The Chieftain still is fun and I enjoy it, but it's a little bit bigger and heavier. So I tend to take the bobber to work because I can filter the front of lines and cut through the slow traffic, and it's a lot lighter and nimble for that. So it makes it quite a bit easier to get through the cars than the Chieftain. Oh, this is fun. Oops, slow down for the bicyclist. I know how they feel. Oh, this is a bumpy spot. Oh, yeah. See, it's bumpy. Oh. What are you doing? I could drive my Jeep away. Is he gonna fucking stop? There you go. Nice if you use a blinker, fucker. Anyways. So, I'm just out having fun. Haven't been back here for a little while with the bobber, so it's a nice little road for the bobber. Nothing too tight. A couple turns it can go at a decent speed. And it's decently smooth in most parts. Not this part, but most parts. So, hopefully, you guys didn't leave me because I tricked ya. Oh, catching slow traffic again. So if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Later.